how to get 5 income streams with multiple income funnel. So be sure to watch the video all the way to the end so you find out how. So let me show you that now. First of all, you go in here and you start here, but you go in here and you see all the links you get with it. They call them links, but these are capture pages. There's a link attached to each capture page, and there's lots of them. You can use one or as many as you want. It's up to you. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. Then you go back into the system again, and you see all the training that you get with it. It's all included, and here's your First of all, you get weekly training, then you get marketing system training. Now this is really something. This helps you to become a better marketer, and you don't have to do these all at once. You can do one or two, whatever you got time for, and then come back and do another one. But be sure to check them out. And then you go back and exit the training again, and you got one more training. You got lesson. It says work on you, which means work on your personality. Then you got lesson 2, shows you where and how to get traffic. Then you got lesson 3, shows you how to do your follow-up. Lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTube ads. Lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And lesson 6 shows you how to block some time to do this. You don't need much time, but you do need some. It will not work all by itself. And then lesson 7, there's some more bonuses in there. Once you get in there, you can take a look at them. Then you go back and exit the training. And you can go there and you see all your teams. And if you go here, you see all the leads you get once you start advertising. And look at all the leads. And you get an email with each one. So be sure to follow up. I mean, the company follows up, but they want to hear from you if they want to work with you. So be sure to follow up. Then you go into resources. And it shows you that the emails you can use to do follow-up, you can use these or you can use your own. It's entirely up to you, but be sure to follow up because they want to hear from you if you want to work with them. And you go back in there and you get some more resources. You look at here, look at all the banners you get to help you do your advertising. Look at all the banners that you can use to advertise. And then you go back in there again, and it shows you your social images that you can use to advertise. So all these things really help you a lot to get your opportunity on the road. Then you can do Facebook posts, shows you how to do that. And then you got traffic, shows you where and how to get traffic. And then you got a bonus income. I'll tell you about that later if I don't forget. Okay, now I showed you the email swipes and banners. Now let's say that you like a lot of this stuff and you would like to get started. So you go in there and you click on Start Here. And this first one here, I'll put a link under the video so you can watch Matt do the presentation introducing this great opportunity. And after he does that, I hope you join because it's definitely worthwhile. And also you'll be able to join with that same link. And then you and that costs you right. And then you got step 2 and step 3. You can put your own opportunities in there if you have it. And if you don't have it, take a look at the ones I got. You can use them if you like them. Then you got step 4, which is the back office, and also traffic authority. They've been in business for over 10 years, so you get awfully good leads there. And multiple income funnel has been in business for over 4 years, so these are all legit companies. And if you don't have your own, you can use the ones I looked at. They're both great opportunities, each under $10 a month. Okay, let's say now you'd like to get started, and I showed you how to do that basically. So you go in there. The first step is you click on here, and right now they have a special on. It's usually $97 a month. Right now you can get it for $49. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a $20 commission. And they also have a yearly plan available, which costs you another $350. But if you get somebody in under that, you make a $200 commission. And the other benefit about it is you don't have to worry about making payments for a whole year. And So that's the route I took. And step 2 and 3, the ones I use, are each under $10, and they're both great opportunities. And step 4, traffic authority, it depends how many leads you get. The more leads you get, the cheaper per lead. But it's entirely up to you. You can use those leads or use your own, whatever you want to do. Okay, and I want to show you that I'll keep on this bonus. Here's another place that I get leads. For $1 a day, you get 100 leads. And at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a small commission, plus you get another 100 leads a day. So you could have 6,000 leads by the end of the month. And that's all included for that $1 a day. So be sure to take a look at that when you get in there. Okay, now let's say that pretty well covers everything. Let's say, so you want to get started. So you go back here again, and then you go on the links that I told you about. Now, okay, I think that's about all I'm going to tell you for today. So we'll see. I hope everything is going great for you guys, and you have a great weekend. Everything is going great here. So we'll talk to you next week. Bye for now.